Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's open the dialer, because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known. It is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225 #*#**. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we will have all events in one place. I do not have them because I do not have any events saved or added in my account. But here you will be able to check some family events, for example, holidays in your country will also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Of course, if we've got the events added to the device. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the information about your phone. So it is *##, 4 zeros, ###. And as I said, we are in the section with about phone info, so we can check, for example, the model, build number, and SID, NID, and so on and so on. So let's say quite technical info. What's more, here we've got also both IMEI numbers. And now let me show you another code, and actually this is the last one and the longest one. It will open the project menu. So it is *##, 284659 ###. And as I said, we are in the project menu, so here we can, for example, check background settings, veneer information, or the software upgrade. We can, for example, also check the battery charge, so you can check that the battery is charging right now, and that's true. We can check the battery level or even the temperature. You can scan the QR code here and check more info. So basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.